Hey guys, this is Bezalel G'day. I'm creating this quick little video just to go over how to create your own Google Knowledge Panel. In the comments below, I'm also going to put a PDF on how to create your own Google Knowledge Panel, really more detailed, and really going through every step that you need to take, and also defining what I mean by now, or what I'm going to be telling you in this video. So let me share my screen and let's just get started. All right. So first option or first step, sorry, not option. All these things have to be done. So the first step is creating your own press releases, getting your website, getting multiple websites. It's going to cost a lot of money per month, but it's going to be useful, right? You're going to want to create about 20 to 30 websites, and be paying those, recurring monthly and making sure that all your articles, everything that you post about yourself is on these press release sites, is on your websites. I made a video about EIN Presswire. Make sure you're posting a bunch of and spending a lot of money on just doing press releases. That's what you want to do at first. Um, if you have if you have friends who have websites, and they're willing to add do a press release for you, do that. But you want to be posting a bunch of your articles online. The next step is creating your own website, and this is going to be in your own social medias. This is going to be crucial to creating that Google Knowledge Panel, right? So when you're posting a bunch of press releases out onto the internet, it needs to be backlinked to something, right? So the people are going to be reading a bunch about who you are. Bezalel G'day, he does marketing or social media or branding. Okay, so where's his website? What does he? Where's his social media accounts? You want to create every social media account on every social media platform that there is. Instagram, YouTube, um, I was about to say Netflix, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, X, Pinterest, MySpace if you can. Um, right. Every social media platform that you have available, you want to make an account on there. Make sure your name, your description, and I'm gonna tell you guys, in the PDF, how to write the perfect description that will get indexed on Google. That talks about what you do and who you are. Pretty much, you want to be posting that on every social media account, profile. Make sure your photos on every social media account, and that you're posting at least 3 to 5 posts, per week. Honestly, it's better to be doing that per day, but 2 to 3 posts per day. Um, that's the most you should do, to 3 to 5 posts per week, which is like the least you can do. You can do any amount, it really doesn't matter, but you want to be posting all the time. And your website, create a new website. The domain has to be yourname.com. You can use your company website, um, which I did. I regret it though, because I'll be writing in the PDF why I regret it, but you want to use your own name domain.com, right? If your name is George Riley, buy that domain, georgeriley.com. If you already own that and you already have a website going for you, make sure that it has everything that needs to be done. When it comes to Google Knowledge Panel, you want to make sure it has the description, your photos, um, pretty much all your facts on that website, because it's going to be the main thing that Google is going to be searching when it comes to creating that Google Knowledge Panel. And it's going to be getting information from that website. Um, and make sure your website and your social medias are connected. Your website should have attached all your social media accounts, and all your social media accounts in the profile should have a link directing all the people that are following you and everybody that's connected to your social media account back to that website. Um, if you don't know what that looks like, look me up on Instagram, look me up on YouTube, look me up on LinkedIn. All my social media accounts have my website connected to the social media accounts. And the last part is creating a Wikipedia page. It takes a long time. It takes about, a month to 2 months. Really like around a month, a few weeks to a month to create your own Wikipedia page. What you want to do to create one is create the account, edit everybody else's, articles, and really use the account how it's supposed to be used so that Wikipedia actually trusts you on their site. Once you have a month or so in, you'll be able to create a page. You want to create um, your own Wikipedia page, and you have to make sure it doesn't sound, I used to have a Wikipedia page. It got flagged down after a few weeks or after a few months, um, because people started like looking at it and people started realizing hey, this is kind of like self-promoting and nobody really knows this guy, right? And so, getting a Google Knowledge Panel is a lot easier than getting your own Wikipedia page. Two different games. If you can't make a Wikipedia account or page, then you want to really push on that press release, right? When we do our services for other people, we don't do Wikipedia accounts. We do press releases um and website posts to the highest, right? We do like hundreds, 200s, 300s, a ton. Now it costs a lot of money to upkeep and keep that up, but it's a lot more easier than making a Wikipedia page. But if you do make a Wikipedia page, I mean, you're gonna have a Google Knowledge Panel no matter what, right? It's just gonna happen. Um, of course, if you'd rather, I'll go up to press releases. If you'd rather pay, for a bunch of websites, 20, 30, 40 websites, and keep paying that monthly, then, do that. Of course, right at the end of this video, of course, I have a done for you service. If you want me to create one for you, um, pretty much I've already done this multiple times for thousands of people, as well as myself, and all my friends have Google Knowledge Panels. Everyone I know has a Google Knowledge Panel. If you want me to set one up for you, there should be a button in this funnel right under this one, um, where we can book a one-to-one free call. Pretty much give me a call. Let's set up a time where me and you can meet face to face. Or I mean, if you live in Seattle, face to face or over the phone. Um, and pretty much we can talk about the service and see if this is the best, fit for you. And I mean, if we can even create one for you, right? Some people we can't create them for. Um, um, let's book a one-on-one call, discuss who you are, where you are, what you do, and we can try to figure out if we can set up our Google Knowledge Panel for you. Um, check us out. All right, Blake, book one-on-one meeting now. Let's have a conversation. Let's call. Let's talk, and let's get this done for you. All right. If you want to go the free way, in the description below, I'm setting up. There should be a PDF file. Click that, download that. It'll guide you throughout every part of the Google Knowledge Panel and how to set one up for yourself. If you want me to do it for you, book a one-on-one call with me. Click on the next page and let's get that done for you. All right. All right. Well, that's all we got for today. All right. I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. Hopefully, I'll be talking to a lot of people tomorrow. Let's get this started for you guys. All right. Peace out.